this session I am going to give you some exercises. Be ready with your pencils and books if you are having. Otherwise, write the answers in your notebooks. First question, quick answers. Choose the right answer related to the setting of the story you have just read. First question is, Malala's story begins in, two options are there, Swat and Haripur. Answer is Swat. B. Malala had to leave her home in the season when apricot trees grow new leaves, and other option is apricots are harvested. So correct answer is grow new leaves. Next, Malala left her home in, answer is 2009. Malala left her home during the day or at night, answer is the day. E point, Malala was born in 1997. Now come to next exercise. Here are some of the different types of journeys. You have to fill the crossword also and write the answer in front of the sentences. First one, a trip or journey in a car is called drive, D-R-I-V-E. Next, the travel between home and one's place of work, that is called commute, C-O-M-M-U-T-E. Next, a long challenging journey made on foot, that is called trek, T-R-E-K. Next is a journey to a place of particular, often religious we are talking about here. Significance is pilgrimage, P-I-L-G-R-I-M-A-G-E. Next is a holiday on a ship or boat, that is called cruise, C-R-U-I-S-E. Next type of journey is an expedition undertaken to complete a task or in search of something, that is called quest, Q-U-E-S-T. Next is a long, difficult, adventurous journey. Answer is Odyssey, O-D-Y-S-S-E-Y. Next, a long journey involving travel by sea or in space, that is called voyage, V-O-Y-A-G-E. Next one, a short journey for pleasure, that is called trip, T-R-I-P. Next and last one is a journey on an animal, that is called ride, R-I-D-E. Now next exercise related to suffix. Be ready with the definition. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word in order to make another word. Some examples are there. First one, better plus meant. If I am adding something to better, that word is meant and answer is betterment. Same way, music plus al and it become musical. So with this example you understood that with the help of some another letters we can make the suffix. So here is the exercise. First one, value, and answer is V-A-L-U-A-B-L-E, valuable. Next is big, biggest, emotion, emotional, fourth, rare, rarely. Check the spelling very well. Now next exercise is noun exercise, and you have to write here 3 more example in each category. This is your homework. One options already it is mentioned here. Person name is there, it means naming. Malala already written. Now 3 answers, 3 examples you have to write in each column. Now next exercise about the proper and common noun. First of all, underline the definition. A proper noun is a name used for a person, a place, an institution and so on. It is written with a capital letter. Example, the Taj Mahal. Now the definition of common noun, that is used to name an object or a thing but is not the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. Now in this exercise you have to write the common noun for each set of proper noun. Here that common noun for each set of the proper noun given below, you have to add 2 more proper nouns here. For example, these are the name, the Statue of Liberty, Eiffel Tower, all these are the monuments. So write in between monuments and 2 more you have to add. First is Leaning Tower of Pisa and second one the Red Fort. You can write any other name also, your choice. Next is, these are the France, Afghanistan, Cuba, Spain, all these are the name of countries. And 2 more we have to write down. I have written here India and Sri Lanka. Now come to third exercise. You have to circle the noun here in these which does not belong to each group. Remember that, which does not belong to the group. First one, collective noun. Here is the definition plus example. Collective noun refers to group of people, animals or things. For example, herd, committee. And in front of you there are some of the again examples are there, and you have to find out the word that does not belong. So sleep is the word. Next, B, countable noun. It refers that can be counted. For example, apple. But in options, water is uncountable here. So circle that. Next is uncountable noun. Refer to noun that cannot be counted. For example, butter. Another examples are there, but one does not belong, that is dust. Next one, noun gender. Here we are talking about feminine gender. So women, girls are the example. Another column, many examples are there. Wizard is the word that does not belong to the group. Next one, noun gender masculine here, and bride is the feminine gender, that's why it's not belong to this group. Next, common. In common, you know very well that male or female, anyone can come. Teacher, maybe male teacher or female teacher. Same way here, baby, bird, dancer, all are the common nouns, but Delhi is not belong to this category. Now neuter gender, without life, neither male nor female. House, book, these are the example, and doesn't match in this group, that is mother. Now compound nouns are there. Compound noun, you know very well, it is made of 2 or more words. The compound noun has the meaning that is different from the word it is made up of. For example, one word is bed and one word is room. Bed means different and room means different, but when we are using these 2 words, it means compound word is there now and it gives the another meaning. Now exercise 4 in front of you, and options are there. Motor, you have to find out in B, and you got that answer, motorcycle. Next, glowworm, armchair, rainfall, blackboard, policeman. After that, syllables is our next topic. Syllable means when we are taking little pause in to give that one word. For example, here, if I say the, one or and, these are some examples. These are one syllable. Completely I am just speaking this word. Now come to the 2 syllable here, that is enter. So one pause is there, enter. Another example, what that? Ticket, ticket, pause is there. Same way 3 syllables. Now here is that exercise. First one is completed. Counter, counter. So how many syllables? 2. You have to write 2 in next column. Next is golden, golden. So 2 syllable. Next is sea. There is single syllable only, so write 1. Next one is clustering, cluster in. So 3 syllables here. Next word is somebody, somebody. 3 syllables. F point, sensation, sensation. 3 syllable in that. And last is free. There is single syllable. So in this session, these are the exercise you have to learn very well. Have a nice day, students. Thank you.